Welcome back to Ghoster Coasters, everybody, and today we have some exciting news. Top Thrill 2 will be opening day with the park, and we will be there, so make sure you guys say hi to us. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and a huge shout out goes out to all of our channel members. Without you guys, we wouldn't be able to do this, and remember, if you're a channel member, you will get credits in all of the long-form documentaries we do in every video, so join now if you haven't already. Alright, let's get into it, guys. First of all, stay tuned till the end of the video for a teaser of Race for the Sky 2, High Speed Hijinks. That'll be the first one we put out for you guys. But Cedar Point today posted on their X pages and YouTube that Top Thrill 2 will be opening May 3rd with the park, which bodes well for everybody, including us coaster enthusiasts, because guess what, guys? We get to go ride Top Thrill 2 opening day. That was suspected, but, you know, hearing it from the park is always a good thing. Obviously, they've been testing over the past few weeks. Plenty of people have gotten footage of that. We've seen all three trains testing. It's been confirmed by other people, so that's very good. Top Thrill 2 is ready to roll. Obviously, the excitement is through the roof for opening day in general, but knowing Top Thrill 2 will be open just adds on to that. Obviously, we have Siren's Curse down the line too, so this is just a super fun summer for Cedar Point in general. But I'm super excited for Top Thrill 2. How are you guys feeling about it? I know we don't really know for sure what changed with the trains. That'll be pretty cool to see when we're up close and, you know, we can actually see the work that has been done or what's a little bit different about it. It's going to be a big day, obviously. But let me know how you feel about this. I know a lot of people didn't get to ride it last year, so if you're excited for your first ride, go ahead and comment down below. For everybody who did ride, how'd you feel about it, and what are you looking for that's going to be different now? Do you think anything's going to change the experience? You know, a lot of people are worried about some things. Some people think it's just going to be way smoother. That's kind of the side that I'm on, but let me know what you think down below. Also, guys, this is going to be the tallest coaster in the world when we ride it, just because Falcon's Flight isn't open yet. So when we get on this on May 3rd, you can now say you rode Top Thrill 2 and it was the tallest operating coaster in the world. So that's pretty cool if you ask me. I'm just saying. I'm very excited for this. I can't wait to get back on it, get my thoughts on the ride. Obviously, I got to ride it once last year for the preview day. I didn't even get to go the first week, opening week, or Cedar Point, so by the time I got there, it was already closed, so I'm stuck in one ride. Let me know how many rides you got, too. And obviously, Cedar Point's pretty amped up, saying that they're going to get rides all summer on this, so that bodes well for us. They're confident. Zamperla seems to be confident, and we're going to see how it goes here soon. Make sure you guys leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and stick around, because guess what? We got a teaser coming for you soon. But first, as always, thank you for being a part of our spooky community and for coaster ghosting with Ghoster Coasters. Check it out. Said better than the original, right?
Very better than the original.
You guys heard it here first. Dan the Man says better than the original.
This is a world record-breaking experience, the world's fastest triple launch coaster. And we know that the Zamperla team has created something truly special for Cedar Point's guests.
Top Thrill 2 will redefine completely the company and putting us into the big gun leagues, playing with the big guys.
So, first official ride on Top Thrill 2.
Oh my God.
Woo!
Oh my gosh.
How was it, Taylor?
It was so good.
Woo!
So
Top Thrill 2! Yeah, this is crazy, guys.
Oh my gosh, it was fantastic. The airtime going over the top hat. I'm out of breath.
Yeah. It was awesome.
I tell you, look at, like, you're up on that spike, and you're looking down, everyone looks like little ants.
You don't know what you're expecting. You're expecting, I got no words.
Alright, I'll tell you my experience on it. It was a little rattly and wobbly. I kind of got a headache getting off of it.
Cedar Point came to us and asked, what can we do to reimagine Top Thrill? Our roller coaster business unit came up with a lot of great ideas. What we settled upon was a truly terrifying guest experience.
Terrifying guest experience.
And then what are we doing?
Ride Top Thrill 2.
Woo! That's super exciting, and that was confirmed by Mr. Tony Clark, who's over there.